Hey guys, it's Carter. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all having a fantastic day today. Now in today's video, we are going to be talking about how to find stocks to swing trade. We're going to be talking about how to build a proper checklist to pretty much determine if you should buy a position and how you guys can integrate it with your scanner you use. So I hope you guys all enjoy it. If you guys have any questions, feel free to ask down below. And if you guys want to learn more about swing trading and pretty much how I've been a full-time swing trader for over 6 years, the strategies I use, make sure you guys check out our school. You guys can use code FED, F-E-D, because the Fed is possibly cutting rates this Wednesday. So I'm excited because this could be a huge bullish thing for the general market and general economy. So I'm excited, and you guys can get 50% off by using that code FED. So check it out down below. You won't regret it. Private live streams, private group chat, quizzes, lectures, everything, how to find stocks. So guys, check it out down below. And guys, let's jump into this here. So what do you guys need to find stocks? So the first thing that you guys need is a checklist. You guys need a way. You guys need to determine what type of trader you are, whether you're a breakout trader, day trader, whether you find, stocks that just have gotten obliterated and you're looking for some sort of reversal. You need to figure out what type of trader you are. So the best way that you guys can do that is to get one of these, a handy dandy trading journal. And you're going to want to document. You're going to want to document what's been working well, things, the type of trader you are. And during this time, you're going to find out and you're going to build up a checklist. So I want to show you guys my checklist, and you guys can pick bits and pieces from it that you like and things you don't like. So this is mine here. This is my trading checklist. So the first thing I have is upward trend. Trends, very important. I always imagine the trend of a stock is like a river. I'm sure you've heard me say it 1,000,001 times, but it's a lot easier to go downstream with the current at your back, and that's the trend, rather than trying to swim downstream. The next thing is support on the daily. Next thing, RSI under 30, or pretty much just like an undervalued RSI. It doesn't have to be under 30. The next thing is earnings. I never hold a stock through an earnings, so I want to make sure I know that earnings date. Next thing, risk and reward. Next thing, 1 hour support here. So the reason why I say that is because risk and reward, you always want to make sure you're in a position where you're risking $1 to make $2, to make $3, whatever it may be. So the next thing here is hourly support. So look at a lower time frame to determine if you should buy a position here. So there's a million different ways that you guys can find opportunity. You guys can use Moomoo, which is the broker I use. You guys can use sites like FINVIZ. And the great thing about FINVIZ here is once you guys have it up, if you guys scroll down here, they have stocks already on support lines. And you guys can look at those to determine if you should buy the position, and if you guys want to customly make one, you guys can do that. So now when you're starting to build out your checklist, you can go, okay, I want a stock that has a mid-market cap. I want stocks on the NASDAQ. I want stocks, you can go to technical. I want stocks on an upward trend. So maybe this past year to date, we're up 10%. So now you guys can see, with just a matter of, a couple of clicks, we've limited our stocks to 318 from like thousands. So one of the things here I do think that's important is using the ones that FINVIZ has, but making your own, just like this and finding stocks on an upward trend that has sold off down to some sort of support line is very, very, very easy. So all you got to do is remove this and stocks on an upward trend, and then go to like a 20-day low and go near and around the low here. So we'll just go new low. So now we find stocks on an upward trend that has sold off down to some sort of support line here. So one of the stocks here that I recently came across with our Moomoo scanner is ticker symbol BFH. And I want to show you why I absolutely love it here is, it follows all of our checklists, right? It has this upward trend. It's sold off down to the 90-day moving average line. It's undervalued on the RSI. We have this really nice trend, as you guys can see here. Boom. Just this really, really positive trend here from the stock. Each and every time it hits it, we just have great tendencies of getting a lot of good buying pressure here. So let's make it like this right there. So we have that minimum of 3 touches, right? 1, 2, 3. Recently hit that 90-day moving average line. We did get a little buying pressure from the lows, which is fine, because what we can look at here is go to the hourly and look for that breakout here. So if you entered here at 49, set your stops, near 47, which let's break down that risk and reward because it's on our checklist here. Boom. And let's do, so we have our target price up here, and this is why I love Moomoo, is because you guys can plan out your trade. So it's a 4.5 to 1, risking $1 to make over $4.52, which is an astonishing, really good risk and reward, where we still have, a lot of potential to go if we can get more buying pressure from 49 to 59, which is an astonishing move. Good upward trend. So, going through your scanner, all we're doing is integrating our checklist in it. That's all we're doing. We're finding out what type of trader you are and, ones that you guys like. If you guys want the ones that I have, I would highly recommend checking out our school where we break down all of our scanners we have. They're all awesome and something I would really, really recommend doing. So check it out down below. But guys, the thing is with FINVIZ here, they have, like I said, they already have stocks here. All you got to do, find stocks on a support line, click that, and it'll give you all of the stocks that have some sort of potential. And just go through, analyze, and see if they meet your needs. So guys, I hope you guys all enjoyed this. If you guys did, hit that like button, subscribe. Don't forget you guys can use code FED to get 50% off our school. I'll see you guys in there. Like, subscribe, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and take care.